Hey, Jimmy with Coffee Stuff. Man, have we got another good one for you. Today, we're gonna do jerk chicken. Oh my goodness. This is a recipe a Jamaican lady that lived down the street taught me how to do. It's been my favorite for years. So I'm gonna share it with you. So, hang tight and we'll bring you right back. So let's make our marinade. Step one. All right. This is a bunch of green onions cut into about 1-inch pieces. And that's the whole onion, white and green. This is 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. This is 2 large Poblano peppers. This is 1 about medium size onion, just basically quartered. The blender's gonna take care of it. This is a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. This is 2 teaspoons of allspice. This is 2 teaspoons of ginger, minced. Let's get it all. This is 2 teaspoons of thyme. This is 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This is 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. This is 1 tablespoon of Lea & Perrins, Worcestershire. This is a 1/4 cup of lemon. We're going to do about the same. Now I'm going to cheat on the lime. Grocery store didn't have any limes. All right, that's about a 1/4 cup. To that, I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of water. And this is a 1/4 cup of oil. Now, this is olive oil. You use whatever kind of neutral oil you wanna use. And that's all there is to it. So let's grind it up good. Okay, there we go. Now, you can see the consistency. See how it runs off the knife? It's not a paste. It's not that creamy. It's more liquid than that. Now all those veggies and spices have mixed together. And oh my goodness, you ought to smell it. Oh, it smells good. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put my chicken in a bag, I'm gonna pour this over the top of it, and we're gonna let this sit overnight in the refrigerator. So after we've gone overnight in the refrigerator, tomorrow I'll bring you back and we'll proceed with the cook. This is the bag that we have let marinate overnight. Let's take them. Time to go to the grill. Well, let's take this chicken that we've let marinate and we're gonna put it skin side down. Now you notice this is not on direct heat. So we're using the Vortex today. We're going to put this on this ring all around on indirect heat. basically, we're gonna get all this chicken on this grill. And there's the last one. All right, let's cover this up and we're gonna let it cook. Now, I'm probably gonna put a probe in one of these so I can kind of keep up, but this is a situation you really don't want to leave your chicken, so you stay with it. We've let our chicken go into the 150s, and I want to take my brush just to be sure, because this is right in front of the inferno, or right on top of the inferno, and this is going to go very quick. Now this is where you want to be, right here on top of it. You hear the sizzle? We're not going to leave it but maybe 30 seconds aside. We're in the 150s, and we're going to let this cook just like that. All right, see how that cooked? See the stripes? That probably wasn't 20 seconds. Above this vortex, this is hot, hot. And that's all we're doing, basically almost like a sear. This is what we're doing. See it? Go back over where it came from. Do the next piece. You notice I'm gonna do one piece at a time. Hot, hot. I'm gonna show you one more piece, and then I'm gonna do the rest of them. Look how quick that was. That's in that marinade. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so delicious. Look at that. Okay, we're gonna keep going. I get these done, I'll bring you back. Sorry about the dogs, nothing I can do about it. All right, we have let these cook indirect, and these are all up to just about 160. We're going to take them off, and I'm sure they will go up more than the 5 degrees to finish. So let's take these off. Now, you see just a little bit of black on them. I don't mind a little char, but you got to stay with them, because if you don't, these little pieces of chicken are going to burn. Let's go to the table with them. I'll be right back. Well, here we go. How about that? Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. Jerk chicken. All right. Hey, I'm going in. I'm gonna try this. Oh my goodness. Delicious. Listen, I know this looked like a lot to make these. It's really not, okay? It's really not. Follow the ingredients. Let it go overnight. Oh my goodness. Overnight marinade makes all the difference in the world. This is just as tender, juicy, and oh my goodness. If you like jerk chicken, this is it. Hey, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe. I'll have another video for you down here. Won't cost a dime either way. Hit that thumbs up, share it. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.